Have you ever wondered why spinning a bucket of water upside down keeps it from spilling? Is it just a playful illusion or there is science behind it?
Well, today we're going to explore the fascinating world of circular motion and uncover the secrets behind seemingly impossible feats.
Let us start with the basic. Circular motion is about object moving in a circular path.
But what makes them move in a circle instead of straight line? That's why centripetal force comes in. But before we go to that, let's talk about inertia.
Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist changes in motions. This coin, for example, wants to stay still, but if I push it, it will move, and it will try to resist that change.
Now, imagine this coin as our object. It wants to move in a straight line due to its inertia, but the friction between the coin and the table acts as centripetal force, pulling it inwards and forcing it to move in a circle.
Now, let's look at centripetal acceleration. See how the water is moving in a circle. It's constantly changing direction, which means it's accelerating.
This acceleration is called centripetal acceleration, and it's always directed towards the center of the circle.
As you spin the bucket, the water moves faster and the centripetal acceleration increases. The tension in the bucket prevents the water from flying out.
Now, let's back to our original question. Why doesn't the water spill when it's moving upside down?
It's because the centripetal force provided by the tension in the water is stronger than gravity.
Remember, centripetal force is always directed towards the center of the circle. This means that even when the bucket is upside down, the water is being pulled inwards, keeping it from spilling out.
So, the next time you see someone spinning a bucket of water upside down, don't be fooled by your illusion. It's not magic, it's science.
Circular motion is everywhere, from swinging a yo-yo to riding a carousel, from a washing machine to satellite orbiting Earth. Circular motion plays a vital role in our everyday lives, especially in countless technologies.